Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Lazy Gozo. I am Surya. In this video, we will talk about how to claim warranty of your damaged or corrupted SD card. So most of us buy SD card and we are don't even aware that most of the SD card, whether it is from Sandisk or Samsung, usually comes with 2 to 5 years of warranty, which can be claimed in case your card stops working or your data got corrupted or any other issue in your card, but your card is not physically damaged. In this video, I will guide you through step-by-step guide how you can claim warranty for the damaged SD card. So this is the SD card which I got as a replacement from Sandisk for my damaged SD card. So this happened with us on our Manali trip where we were using Sandisk 128GB SD card with our GoPro, and all of a sudden our GoPro stopped recording video. After checking, we found that the SD card has corrupted. We tried multiple online software, paid as well as free ones, but we are not able to recover the data. So first step is to inform the customer care. We call the customer care, so number that you might be seeing somewhere on the screen. So you can call this number and inform about your incident. So what has happened with your card. They will ask for few details like card size, card serial number and date of purchase. After providing all these details, you will get a mail from the Sandisk saying that your warranty claim process has been initiated. Step number 2 is to get your data recovered. So Sandisk doesn't provide data recovery services, and you have to get it recovered through some third-party companies or some third-party app. In our case, we are not able to recover the data through either free apps or paid apps. So we decided to contact Stellar. Stellar is a company which are expert in data recovery. This is not a paid review though, but we chose Stellar, and it costing us around, they charge around 700 something for inspection of the card. So this includes shipping cost as well. And after the inspection, they will quote you the final amount, how much they will charge for the data recovery and whether it is possible or not. So it costing us somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000 to get our data recovered. Third process is the documentation. So to claim the warranty, you need a few documents. First one is the invoice copy. So if you have purchased from Amazon or Flipkart, you can produce the digital invoice copy. Or if you have purchased from any other retail store offline through offline mode, then you can show the invoice copy of that. The second document is the letter from the data recovery company saying that they have recovered the data without damaging the card or so. So the letter looks something like this. So these are the only two documents required. Next step is to submit your damaged card and get the new one. So there are two ways of it. First, you can send the card to Sandisk. So their head office is in Mumbai. You will ship the damaged card to the Mumbai address, Sandisk Mumbai, and they will acknowledge that they have received the card. They will analyze it and they will send you the new card, something like this. Or second option is you can go to their service center. They will provide. You can just call the customer care and they will email you your nearest service center address. You can go there, submit your card and collect the new card from there. So in our case, we submitted our SD card to the Bangalore service center. It is RP Tech in SP Road. And after submission, they gave us a letter and informed us that the stock is not available for this particular card and we have to wait. So we will get a mail or SMS once the card is available in the stock. So we waited for 7 days, and after that we got a mail that card is available. Then we went to the service center and collected our card. So do note that whatever letter they provide you, you have to show the physical copy while collecting the card. Otherwise they will deny your new card. So this is quite straightforward process. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Lazy Gozo for more such tech, travel and auto videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.